1996, slammed to the ground. Lexus LS400. You shouldn't drink 2 drinks at once. That's his second energy drink. It's too much caffeine, bro. And you know the problem is, it doesn't energize him. It makes him slower.
There is no caffeine in there.
Anyway, here we go right there. Lexus LS400. We'll show you guys what we got done on it. As you guys can see from all the scraping, it's low, but it's okay. Converter. Another converter with a Y pipe. Then, what we did, cut it off right there, took the 2 mufflers off, or resonators, and ran 2-inch pipe all the way back on each side. Right there, and right there. And then we put blast pipes out the back. Look at that. There's a bumper. There's the pipes. Blast pipes. Why not? Right there. They look good. And here's the part number on the blast pipes. DAC 219. They'll be on eBay. Look them up. They are made by JY Performance Parts. DAC 219, blast pipes. And that's the 2 mufflers that were on it that we took off right 2003 Lexus LS430 Beast. What a beautiful car. Look at this thing. It is massive. They're really good engines on these too, man. I've seen some with 400,000 or 500,000 miles. It was the flagship of Lexus back in the day. Anyways, factory converters there and there. Then wise into a single. 3rd converter there. Then what we did, deleted everything. 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Straight pipes. Put new hangers on it on each side, and then finished it off with some blue flame tips out the back. Right there. Came out really nice, really clean. Very nice. She's ready for action. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to let you guys hear it. And there's the resonators that were on it, and he had the mufflers cut off by himself a while back. But that's what we cut off and ran all new. Stay tuned. All right, guys. We've got a 2012 Lexus LS460. Look at this beast. I love these cars since they came out. They're luxury, man. Very comfortable. It's like a jet plane when you're driving it. You don't feel anything on the road. It's really smooth. So it's got factory converters at the manifolds there and there. Then it goes 2.5-inch to secondary converters there. Then it's got an X pipe, Lexus factory X pipe right there. Then we cut the 2 resonators off and put 2 Dynamax race bullets in their place right there. Part number 24222. Be a link in the description for it right there. And what we did, we had to put adapters on it to make them because they're 3-inch. So if you need them for this car, get them 2.5. Do not get them 3-inch. Okay, guys? So we put adapters on it. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes. And then we continued the 2 1/4 out the back on this side and on this side. As you guys can see, where we did the muffler delete. And it comes with factory tips built into the rear bumper. So we left those alone. There's a giant mufflers that were on it there and there. And there's the 2 resonators that were on it that we took off. They're giant also to make it extra quiet. But we don't like quiet at Exhaust Statics. We like it loud. That's why we take it all off and refine it and make it nice for the average guy. With any car, we'll do it. So any car you guys have, bring it in. We'll take care of it if we're able to without having to take bumpers off and stuff. And if you guys don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you ever need anything, hit us up. And if you're in the area, just come by and say hi. We like doing stuff like this. You guys want to see how many miles are on it? How many miles are on it?
342.
And he's got friends that have 500,000 and 600,000 miles on these cars. And same motor, same transmission. They run forever. And they keep up. Look. For that many miles and it still looks this good. Come on, guys. Come on. You know what I mean. Remember, guys, it's still got the cats on it, so I'm not gonna be crazy. Oh, that sounds good. I like it. Hear sound decibels? 105. What do you think?
I like it, man.
Do that center.
You
gotta do that the center section that we talked about. If you do the center section, it'll pop a lot more. It'll be crazy. We want to do a true dual conversion on it next. This is a good start.
Yeah.
It's got a good idle to it. Now we can go lower because we tucked everything up there. the resonators that were on it were hitting really bad. So we tucked the pipes and everything so he can go even lower. Look at that. That's a cool stance on that car. Perfect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. It actually fits it with the color scheme too. Very nice. Guys, Lexus LS 430 straight pipe. I love it. Here's sound decibels. That's a good sounding Lexus. That's how they should have came, man. Yeah, it sounds clean. It's crazy. They used to be like 80 grand when they first came out, man. These cars. Yeah, they're expensive. Yeah. 60 or 80 grand, something like that. She's ready to go, man. Oh yeah, very nice. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. That's it. Look at his face. Yes? Did we get a thumbs up? Yeah. Again. That sounds so good. Wow. Here's sound decibels. 109, bro, when you really get on it. That's perfect. That smoke will go away because that's from the manufacturing of the oil. I like it.
And the idle's not.
Yeah, it's
the idle's
quiet.
not aggressive. It's quiet.
There is no idle. Yeah, it's
I don't-
quiet.
Yeah.
So when you start in the morning, something will be okay.
It'll have.
That
It's
sounds
loud
good.
until it's up there.
Yeah, so it's up in
It's the
RPM.
8 speed, so I can have it shift below 2,000.
Exactly. Yeah. We were blessed that it stopped raining, so we were able to do a video for you guys on this one because I really wanted to do one. That sounds so mean, man. Wow. It's like a lion roaring. It's so deep.
But I like how there's no idle.
Yeah.
Road noise, there's no idle.
Wow. He's still working on it. It's a project. He's almost done with it. He's gonna wrap it, put new lights in the front, and slam it even more, which is insane. It's about 2 inches now. Be about an inch off the ground. So I'm glad we got the exhaust work out of the way. It was funny. He's like, even if it slams on the lift, just take it up there. It's okay. It can handle it. Nice. Beast mode out of a Lexus. Here we go. Lexus LS 430. Fully straight piped. Other than the cats. Still got the factory cats. We don't delete cats, guys. Stop asking. We get like 10, 15 calls a day. Do you delete cats? No, we don't. V8 sounds so phenomenal. Sounds really good. Enjoy, guys. This is LS 460. Factory converters, factory X-pipe, Dynamax race bullets. In the middle, the long ones, the 12-inch, and rear muffler delete. Wow, look at that thing fly. It's over 6,000 pounds, too. Woo.